Now, neuroscientists and medical experts are proposing a different approach to tackling the increasing rate of substance abuse in Nigeria. They're recommending amendment of existing laws, improvement in treatment and advocacy. The expert to this position joined the 2023 Neuroscience Festival in Gombe. Correspondent Landry Adeyemi has details.
The last comprehensive survey on the prevalence of drug abuse in Nigeria was in 2018. 5 years ago, an estimated 14.3 million Nigerians abused drugs. With the prevailing trend, this number would have significantly increased. The trend in Africa and Neuroscience Society is focusing on connecting the nexus between mental health illnesses and substance abuse. One after another, experts made it clear that the current approach to combating drug abuse is not effective.
Gombe happens to be one of the states that has the highest prevalence of substance use. So, in as much as having the prevalence, also the burden of substance use is also very high in Gombe State.
Advocacy, education, counseling would be more effective in stemming the tide of drug use, trafficking of drugs, and so on within Nigeria. So this is my understanding, and that's why I'm saying all hands must be on deck.
Another strategy proposed is the positive deployment of social influence and peer pressure, getting young people to understand the harmful effects of drug abuse and taking the lead in advocating against it.
Is that the prevalence rates at younger age is rising. In the next 30 years, if we did not address this system, we will not have youth. So it means it's better to catch these young children at a very younger age, tell them the effect of drug abuse and its impact on their body system so that they can take the message to their friends.
We think that these are things that should be taken lightly, but we are not realizing that we are affecting our body in some way. Now, the best preventions for this drug abuse is that if you are not fully aware of those illness of the drugs or what they causes, I would prefer that like events like this, neuroscience and other things like that, you should take part in them so that at least you'll know what are the things that you should do.
The consensus here is that treating drug abuse has gone beyond confrontations and acrimony, but to better policies, improved advocacy, and treatment. Already, substance abuse is taking too many of Nigeria's best and brightest. It is time to stop causing the darkness, but switch on the light. Landry Adeyemi, TVC News, Gombe.